Alright, next question is finding a percentage of an amount, in this case 60% of 500. So the first thing we do is we put this into a mathematical form that we can actually work with. 60% is the same thing as 60 over 100. Of means times, and 500 we like to keep it as a fraction, so that's the same thing as 500 over 1. And then it's up to you here how you want to simplify this. You can do a lot of cross-cancelling. What I prefer to do, I know that 60 over 100, for example, as a simplified fraction is the same thing as 6 over 10. And then I'm going to have 6 over 10 times 500 over 1. Now I can start doing a little bit of cross-cancelling, but for example, that 0 at the bottom can cancel with one of the zeros at the top. So I'm actually just left with 6 times 50. 6 times 50 should be fairly straightforward. It's going to be 300. Sorry, I've got the wrong color pen there. So 60% of 500 is 300. Okay, and let me just do another quick example just to solidify it. So let's just say they said give us 75% of, let's say, 360. Then 75% is 75 over 100, but I think you should be able to by now recognize that as a simplified fraction that's the same thing as 3 over 4, and that's times 360 over 1, and 36, 4 times, I think 4 goes into 360, so we can cancel that. 4 divided by 4 is 1, 360 divided by 4 is going to be, it's going to be 90, so it's going to be 90, so we now just are left with 3 times 90, which is 270 over 1, which is the same thing as 270, so 75% of 360 is 270, and that shouldn't be surprising if you think about it in terms of angles. If we think about a whole revolution in terms of angles, you start with 0, a quarter is going to be 90, another quarter is going to be 180, the third quarter is going to be 270, and then obviously all the way around you'd get back to 360. The full revolution is 360 degrees. So hopefully that should make sense.